So if you were born on October 23rd to November 21st, you're considered a Scorpio. So what are Scorpio's sexual needs and desires? You click this video to find out, and that's coming right up. What's going on, guys? If we haven't met before, my name is Johann, and on this channel you'll find some helpful product reviews to improve your self-care, as well as tips and strategy videos just like this one. So if you're new here, consider subscribing and hitting that notification bell, because I will appreciate it, boy or girl. Scorpios are goal setters. They have something in mind, they will get it, no questions asked. Sex, they want it. The end. They gonna get it. They can be very independent and very passionate, and also kind of like absorbs what's going on around them. You know the phrase, you got sex appeal? Well, you could thank Scorpios for that, because they invented the damn thing. Sex can be an outlet for Scorpios. It's just for them to just de-stress. Just like many people, but Scorpios tend to like really just hone in into it. Scorpios love to take charge. So you just gotta submit to them. Don't refuse any orders that's given to you. And yeah, they like that type of shit. They love to prove people wrong. So if you're telling this person, if you're telling a Scorpio you can't get them off, they're gonna be like, challenge accepted. Something that's very interesting with Scorpios, even though they love when people submit to them, deep down they want to be submitted too. Scorpios have a very big sexual appetite. However, they prefer someone that they can build and have trust with. Scorpios are very into fetishes. So if you don't know what to do, then watch 50 Shades of Grey and get some ideas. When it comes to the best sex for Scorpios, we're talking about Leos and Scorpios. What's going on, guys? Let me stop. That was so weird. That was so awkward. Don't do that again. So if you like this video and you want to check out other horoscope sexual desires, I made a playlist so you can check it out. So if you're trying to figure out what Virgo likes, you can definitely watch it, apply it, and have fun with it. Just make sure you stay safe.